Alright, so this is Eric with the three projects from chapter 2, the notepad, calculator, and radio projects. So the first one I'm going to show you here is the notepad. So this one is just your regular Form 1, change the name to My Notepad. Put in a menu strip down here in the toolbox. Maybe one for file, edit, view, and about, and then this is your run-of-the-mill rich text box, also found in the toolbox here. So let's go ahead and start this puppy. Enter text here. That works. All right. The next one here. Where'd my stuff go? Is the calculator. I'm going to start that one. So you're run-of-the-mill Form 1 here with another group box, and group box. Basically, that's where you can house more than one button or a category of buttons. So you got all your number buttons here in this group box, your functions, and your clear and your clear buttons. For the buttons here, just change the text to the number. Change the size for the double digit. Change the size for the plus. And then your run-of-the-mill rich text box there for the readout. Yeah, stop debugging. Then you got your radio. For the radio, let that open up. Alright, Form 1 here. Change the text to radio. You got your, like I was talking about before with the calculator, you got your group box. Should have shown you where I got that, by the way. Sorry, let me show you now. Group box here. Okay. So like I was saying before, you house like a category of buttons. So this is my group box category preset stations. Like I was saying before with the buttons, just change the text to 1, whatever size they're going to be. So this one here is 2323, so 23 by 23. And once I made 1, I just copy and pasted, and then change the text 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For your volume control, you got a checkbox here, which I got by going here, checkbox, named it mute. There you go. And then you got your track bar, which I was actually pretty impressed with. I thought it was just going to be a still image of a track bar. It's actually a sliding track bar found there. Here you got your group box for your speakers with your check boxes, rear and front. Same as volume control checkbox, just put 2 of those. This here is your run-of-the-mill label there. For the label, just change the foreground to silver and the background to black. And then instead of check boxes, these are actually called radio buttons. Those are right there. Named 1 AM, 1 FM. Pretty self-explanatory. And this here is just picture box, which is right there. For the picture box, how you determine what you're going to put in there is you're going to go to your properties for that under image. Alright, so under image, you're going to hit those 3 buttons. It's like your browse button. you're gonna find where it's at, so you can import it from somewhere. So where I put mine was in my download folder under chapter 2, and there she is. So that's how I got that. Alright, so let's start her. And there she goes. You get your buttons, rear and front, mutes, AM, FM, and your track bar that actually moves. So there we go. Got my kids making some noise in the background. So I'm going to stop this video now and hope it's satisfactory.